Hello guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing a camera comparison between the iPhone 15 Pro Max, the Google Pixel 8 Pro and the Samsung Galaxy S23. So stick around to find out. But before we start, if you are new to my channel or this is the first time of you being to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit that like button so that you will be updated whenever I drop a video just like this one you're watching. Today I'm recording on 4K 30 frames per second. So tell me the color that this phone produce. Which one handle dynamic range properly?
Zoom up to 2 times optical zoom. Moving up to the 5 times optical zoom on iPhone 15 Pro Max, the Google Pixel 8 Pro and the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. This is actually 3 times on the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. I'm gonna extend it to 10x on the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. You're gonna see the difference. Let's go back to the main camera lens. When looking at both devices, which one handle dynamic range properly? When recording on 4K 30 frames per second, you can also take pictures when recording video on the iPhone 15 Pro Max, the Google Pixel 8 Pro and the Samsung Galaxy S23. I'm still recording in 4K 30 frames per second. Now let's move to the 60 frames per second when recording video with this device. You can see the difference. Now I'm recording in 60 frames per second. So tell me the color that came out, which one handle dynamic range properly. Quick front. Now switching up to the ultra wide angle camera, recording on 4K 60 fps per second with the iPhone 15 Pro Max, Pixel 8 Pro and the Galaxy S23 4G. Quick front. So let's switch to the telephoto lenses. So let's switch to the 2 times zoom, recording on 4K 60 fps. Now let's switch to the 5 times zoom, recording on 4K 60 fps. Which one handle dynamic range properly? Which one do you prefer? Tell me on the comment section below. Now coming to the normal mode, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is recording on 4K 30 frames per second, while the Pixel 8 Pro recording on 4K 30 frames per second, while the S23 Ultra recording in 8K 30 frames per second. So when looking at both, tell me the difference on the comment section below. Quick front. We are now in the action mode of iPhone 15 Pro Max with the Google Pixel 8 Pro active mode and super steady ultra wide in the Samsung Galaxy S23. Moving to the audio quality, take a look at both. Which one sound better?